Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on the Freelander 2. This one's a 2007 model. I've actually just done the reset on this, so it's not on the dash at the minute, but I'll just run you through the procedure. First thing you need to do is just pop the key in the ignition. Once your key's in the ignition, I'm going to press and hold this button there. Whilst holding that, I'm going to press the start button just to get the ignition onto stage 2. Just do that quick now. You get the service light start flashing and then it'll go still. Keep it depressed and release the button. Then you'll get distance come up, press and hold the button. And this one now says cannot reset. We'll just release it there. The only reason it's saying cannot be reset is just simply because I've just done it, that's all. So if you haven't done yours, it'll reset it at that stage. But at that stage now, you can just simply turn the ignition off, and when you restart it, that's all reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.